Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinazo Mary Cynthia. On today's video, we are going to be reviewing a body scrub, which is the Kuu Spa Salt Scrub. I'm going to be giving a detailed review of this body scrub and then let you know my personal opinion if I'm going to be buying it again or not. So it is very much inexpensive. So let's get started. Okay, now this is the variant I got. It says Kuu Spa Salt Scrub Bait Turmeric. All right, that is the name. It came in a 450 ml, right? And I've been using it for almost a month now. I scrub two times in a week, two times in a week at night, just at night. Let us talk about the ingredients, the components of this scrub. The major ingredient in this scrub, of course, is salt, then turmeric. Now, as we know, salt is used in the production of many scrubs. We have salt scrubs, we have sugar scrubs, and then it also contains turmeric, and turmeric, of course, is used to lighten up hyperpigmentation, dark spots you have, whether on the face or on the body. I'm talking about turmeric, not the scrub itself, okay? Then the other ingredients in this scrub, we have glycerin. It contains citric acid too. Um, Lactic acid is here. Fragrance, aqua, tocopherol. Okay, tocopheryl acetate. The root extract. We have turmeric itself. Now it contains a host of other ingredients. Lactic acid is an exfoliant, but a gentle exfoliant. Okay. Then this citric acid is actually an antioxidant, but I don't think it is actually having like any strong effect in this body scrub because according to the other they wrote the ingredients, citric acid is the second to the last, or is it the last? It is second to the last ingredient in this body scrub. It contains fragrance. I'm going to explain how this thing smells. Okay, they said it is an aromatherapy cleanser. Aromatherapy on its own simply means something that gives off a raw smell. It gives off this earthly smell. How do I explain this? Now, when you go to spas, right, there is actually how, if you've gone to a spa before, you are going to understand what I mean. Now, when you go to spas, there is always this smell that just hovers around everywhere. It is just relaxing. It is very much soothing, a very calming, original smell, right? Now, it's just like the sand, right? I'm trying to make it very much relatable. Now, the sand, when maybe it rained just a little bit, there is always this weird smell that the sand gives off. That smell, even though it might be weird for some persons, it is actually therapeutic for me. It is relaxing. I just love the smell. That's just it. I love the smell. So this body scrub is going to give you that kind of smell. That is what they mean when they say that it is aromatherapy. It is aromatherapeutic. You can say it that way. It is going to give you a relaxing, calming, and a soothing smell. That's just it. Then let us check for the consistency or the texture of this scrub. It is yellow in color. I'm not even expecting it not to be yellow in color. Girl, turmeric is yellow in color. So, and turmeric is actually one of the major ingredients in this. So I'm going to be using it directly on my skin. Let's go. Now my body is wet. It's a bit runny. This body scrub, in as much as it is a bit runny, it is not really like a smooth paste. Okay, it has these granules inside it, and I want to believe they are salts. All right, tiny little bits of salts. Do you get? So it is not really like a smooth paste. So don't expect it to be a smooth paste. This is what it feels like on the skin. I want you guys to see this very well. When this product went viral, that should be earlier this year or so, a lot of persons got this product, and I believe it is just because of the fact that it is quite cheap. I got this for 4,500 naira. It is that cheap, right? Now, like I said earlier, this is a salt scrub, and if you have a dry skin type, I do not in any way recommend you using a salt scrub. Why? Salt scrubs dry out the skin. Salt scrubs are, should I use the word aggressive? They are not, just like you saw now, it is not a smooth face. You can even see the tiny granules on my skin. I want to believe this is salt. Okay, so if you have a dry skin type and you are using this body scrub, I would really want to know your experience in the comment section. This body scrub, in as much as I think they wrote that it is for all skin types, I will not recommend this for anybody that has a dry skin type. If your skin is also sensitive, I will not advise you to use this. Okay, I'm going to explain why. Now, a dry skin type lacks oil, right? And if you have been watching my videos, I made a video some time ago on dry skin. Now, you having a dry skin, you are not supposed to spend like much hours bathing. Why? Because that act of bathing actually strips out natural oils from your skin and even moisture if care is not taken. Salt dries out the skin. If you have a dry skin, this product is going to dry you out. I have a normal skin type on the body. After using this product, I feel dry. I'm going to be sincere right now. My skin feels dry. I will need to go in with my body lotion like almost immediately, because that tight feeling that comes with a dry skin type or a dehydrated skin is there. For my skin, I don't know about you, but for my skin, it is always there. Right now, some persons also complain of itchy skin whenever they are done using this body scrub. With what I explained earlier, you should know why. One of the signs of a dry skin type is itchiness, itchy skin. Now, you already have a dry skin type, your glands are not producing enough oil for your skin, and you are using a salt scrub that is stripping out moisture from your skin, that is stripping out natural oils from your skin. Of course, your skin is going to feel itchy once you are done using it. It's expected. Your skin is going to feel itchy. Now, if I were you, if you have a dry skin type on the body, go for sugar scrubs or you go for body polishes. It is better for you if you have a dry skin. Now, as we are approaching harmattan, I will not even advise anybody to use this scrub. If you are going to use it, not like I'm saying don't use it, don't use it, it's bad. It's not what I'm saying. If you are going to use it, let it not be like a scrub. Maybe if you are used to scrubbing 2 times in a week, you can decide to use this scrub once a week, and then maybe use a more gentle scrub, maybe a sugar scrub or a body polish the other day for your scrubbing. I don't know if this makes sense, but it is just a way to prevent that dryness that comes with salt scrubs. All right. Now, I also heard that some persons use these scrubs on their face. I don't know why you would want to do that. A salt scrub for that matter on your face. Why? With all these granules here, with all these tiny granules, it is it clearly has, and you are using it on your face. And I know that some persons are going to use both the exfoliating sponge and these salt scrubs together on the face. Why? You are causing your skin more harm. Even if you have an oily skin, the worst thing that can happen to you is to have an acne prone skin and you are using a scrub. There are a lot of chemical exfoliants. There is actually no point you stressing your skin. Go for chemical exfoliants. Okay, if you have a dry skin, tilt towards lactic acid serums, lactic acid exfoliant. If you have an oily skin, tilt towards salicylic acid serums. If your skin is sensitive, tilt towards mandelic acid. Yes, mandelic acid is like the most gentle exfoliant you are going to find. It is very much better for you than you stressing your skin. You are causing yourself micro tears. And if you have acne, if you are acne prone and you are using scrubs on your face, aren't you concerned that that acne never really goes away? Like after the scrubbing, few days, a new acne just pops up. Don't you notice that? There is always a case of reoccurring acne on your face, reoccurring acne on your face. It is just because of the scrubs you are always using on your face. It is wrong. Stop using scrubs on your face. Or because it contains fragrance, if your skin is sensitive, I don't really know how your skin is going to react. I feel like it's going to react badly to it. So you might want to go for scrubs that do not have fragrance. Okay, I feel it is better for you. Now, am I going to buy this scrub again? It's going to be a 50-50 thing. Why? Because I feel like my skin deserves something better, right? I want to tilt towards sugar scrubs these days. Like, I want to start getting myself sugar scrubs. I feel like salt scrubs are aggressive on the skin, honestly. I want to start getting sugar scrubs and body polishes. Yes, I feel like this is my skin deserves better. That is just what I feel. Okay, but if you do not have a dry skin, if you have a normal skin on the body, you can use this. Skin does not react to fragrance. I can recommend this for you. Now, one special thing I'm going to tell you that I love about this scrub is the smell. I love the therapeutic smell it gives off. Like I said earlier, it gives off this relaxing, this earthly, this raw original smell. So now for the turmeric, of course, turmeric helps to lighten up your hyperpigmentation. And I have this hyperpigmentation somewhere on my back that I got from, I think, mosquito bite or so. So I don't know, but it is actually a recent dark spot. So I'm hoping it is going to clear it. It is going to help clear it because I don't really like hoping too much or being highly expectant of my cleansers, honestly. I feel like once it's able to cleanse my skin, exfoliate, what else? So that's just it. If you disagree with me, you are free. You can just let me know your own personal opinion with this. Meanwhile, if you have a dry skin, I really, really want to know your experience, your personal experience with this body scrub. Okay? So see you in my next video. Bye.